Hello, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. Today we've unboxed the Zealife 87W USB-C power delivery wall charger. It's got one port. It does 87 watts out of here. It also has varying voltages, so you can charge anything from an iPod all the way up to a MacBook Pro with this thing. So it's super versatile, one port, and it's a wall charger. It comes bundled in. Just flip it out and you're ready to go. So one port here. The package also comes with a handy USB Type-C to USB-C cable. This looks like it's pretty stable and sturdy, so it won't be coming apart quickly on you, which is nice. And then they also sent me this Zealife iPhone charging cable. This is the USB-C to Lightning charging cable, and that goes right in here. So this will fast charge your iPhone 11 Pro Max, iPhone 11 Pro, and iPhone 11, along with the iPhone XS and XS Max iPhones. So a lot of quick charging. You can use this with your laptop, your Chromebook, really almost any Android smartphone out there. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram.